And yeah, we're 518 North Tampa.
Got an original Florida elevator from either the 40s or 50s. And we got James with us.
Yeah, I got Julian.
Oh yeah, and I think I just saw classic level a little bit.
Nice. So this is your call station.
Look at the cab, which is tray lighting. And you can look at the shaft too, wow. That is so cool.
Oh yeah, you can. I didn't notice that earlier.
Alright.
It's pretty cool.
Alright, let's listen to the motor. It has its original motor.
Yeah, let's
Piston,
listen.
it's a piston pump. Listen.
Yep.
Low on oil.
Yeah, it is. Let's go. 1.
Look at these beautiful fixtures. The caps were on the buttons were obviously added, but other than that, this is totally original. There's a mirror pillow. It's pretty short cab. I mean, it's long, like it's an average sized length or width, I should say, but it's not that deep though. We'll give it
Yeah,
another
exactly.
spin.
Yeah, let's ride again.
All right, listen.
It's still low on oil, as you can tell.
I'll let you send it down.
Let's go. 1.
Again, amazing elevator.
Yeah, and the cab is probably original, right?
Yeah, or at least, I mean, the ceiling for sure is. Looks like it's probably cast iron or wooden. I can't completely tell because it's been painted over, but
Yeah.
absolutely amazing elevator. And until someone calls it, it's gonna stay open.
All right.
There it goes, and that's gonna be it.
That'll be it.